Hey, what is up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great, and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, I'll show you how you can change the default browser on your Mac. Not only on Mac OS Catalina, you can change and use this same method on pretty much every version of Mac, latest version available on the market. So you have to go to the system preference, and after that go to the general, and here you will find the default browser. It's a pretty simple video, but it's pretty hard place. Like, can you see that setting, general, and inside here is the default browser. Like, I have three browsers: Safari, Chrome, and Opera. As you can see, Safari, Chrome, and Opera. So I mostly use the Safari, but Chrome is my default browser. But when Mac starts, the Safari is the default, but right now it's the Chrome. Like, every single time when I use something to preview the link or anything, then Chrome will be my default browser, because I think Chrome is much more better than Safari. I'm not debating here, but I think so Chrome is much more better. Anyway, so that's how you change the default browser on your Mac. Sometimes it's too hard for me even to search for this default browser, so I thought that why not to make a video so that I can keep remember these things with my video. Anyway, so that was all for this one, and that's how you can change the default browser on your Mac. And anyway, it was a quick little simple video. See you in another one. Till then, what you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, and comment on if you have something on your mind, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.